You searched how to buy shares of Buzzi Spa. Buzzi Spa is an Italian cement and building materials company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker BZU.MI. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BZU.MI to locate Buzzi Spa. Make sure you select the listing that shows the CBOE EU exchange to find the correct share. On the asset page, review the company profile and the price chart to confirm basic details and sector. Verify it is Buzzi Spa on CBOE EU before moving on to trade. Tap, buy, or trade, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for the next session, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is not sufficient. After the trade, the position will appear in your portfolio. Check it there and monitor your holdings. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same step-by-step example.